name is Cynthia and welcome to my channel. If you're looking for ways to add more nutrition to your diet, then this recipe is perfect for you. Let's get started.
So for the first recipe, we will make this high-protein kale and spinach smoothie. Kale and spinach are a great addition to your diet. They are highly nutritious and are associated with lots of health benefits. They are both linked to help improve heart health, increased weight loss, and protection against disease. We will need a handful of kale and spinach, dates for sweetness, 1 whole banana, chia seeds, flaxseed for added protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acid. These healthy seeds add a lot of healthy omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which can help lower blood cholesterol. Then add either almond or regular milk. And finally, Greek yogurt, which is high in protein as well. It is also full of calcium for improving bone health. Blend it all together until nice and smooth. Add half a cup of ice, blend it again, and enjoy. Then you can top your smoothie with more chia seeds and slices of banana for texture. Kale is a superfood rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. This next smoothie is rich in vitamin C, which will help boost your immune system. We will need pineapple. You can use either frozen or fresh one. Pineapples are so rich in vitamin C. Pineapples have enzymes in them called bromelain, which helps break down protein, so this is good in helping with digestion. I have a recipe for pineapple skin tea, and I talk more about its benefits, and I will link that in the description below. We will also need ginger, which is full of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Fresh lemon juice and orange juice for extra vitamin C. Then lastly, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you want your smoothie. Local honey is also great for allergies, and it is full of antibacterial properties. Blend everything together, then add half a cup of ice and enjoy. I have been asked a lot about this blender for my previous smoothie videos, and I will link this in the description box below. Then this last smoothie is perfect for hydration and digestion. First, we will prep our ingredients. Slice 1 green apple, half a cucumber, then rough chop your kale and slice your lime. Apples are a great source of fiber, and it has a compound called pectin which helps break down foods more efficiently. Aside from the vitamins you get from cucumbers, it also has lots of water contents which helps with hydration. While kale offers more than twice the amount of vitamin C as spinach, spinach provides more folate and vitamins A and K. We will also need half a cup of coconut water or apple juice if you want this smoothie to be a little sweet. And lastly, some hemp seeds for extra fiber and vitamin C. Blend everything in a blender, then add half a cup of ice and enjoy. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to see more healthy and delicious recipes. See you next time!